Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Automobile, welcome to our channel dedicated to all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the world of car cleaning with a focus on finding the best car cleaning cloth. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want to keep your ride sparkling, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and remember to like, comment, and share to spread the knowledge. Soap sparkles. Number 1. Chemical Guys Mike 1995 Woolly Mammoth Large, Super Absorbent and Soft Microfiber Towels for Cars. Crafted for car lovers and auto enthusiasts, these towels redefine car detailing. With dimensions of 36 inches by 25 inches, they offer ample coverage for efficient cleaning. The plush microfiber material ensures superior absorption, effortlessly lifting dirt and grime from your vehicle's surface. Whether you're drying, buffing, or applying wax, these towels deliver a streak-free, showroom finish every time. Their durability and softness make them a must-have in any car care arsenal. Say goodbye to water spots and hello to pristine perfection with the Chemical Guys Woolly Mammoth Towels. Number 2. Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, your ultimate cleaning companion. With a pack of 24, in vibrant blue, white, and yellow hues, these cloths are a household essential. Their non-abrasive design ensures safe cleaning on delicate surfaces, while being reusable and washable, making them eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Measuring 16 inches by 12 inches, they offer ample coverage for any task, from dusting to polishing. Whether you're tackling spills in the kitchen or detailing your car, these cloths deliver superior results every time. Say goodbye to disposable wipes and hello to efficiency with the Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Number 3. Homexo Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, a must-have in any household. This 12-pack of cleaning rags offers fantastic value and versatility. With 4 vibrant colors, green, blue, yellow, and pink, organization becomes a breeze, assigning specific colors for different cleaning tasks. Sized at 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches, they're perfect for tackling various surfaces, from countertops to glass. The microfiber material ensures effective cleaning without leaving streaks or lint behind. Whether wiping down kitchen counters or dusting furniture, these cloths excel in performance. They're durable, machine washable, and reusable, making them environmentally friendly. Say goodbye to disposable paper towels and embrace the convenience and effectiveness of the Homexo Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Number 4. Mr.Sega's Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, a game changer in household cleaning. This pack of 12 all-purpose microfiber towels is a must-have for any cleaning arsenal. Measuring 32 by 32 centimeters, 12.6 by 12.6 inches each, these black cloths are designed for maximum effectiveness and durability. Whether it's wiping down countertops, polishing surfaces, or tackling tough stains, Mr.Sega delivers streak-free results every time. The ultra-absorbent material ensures effortless cleaning, while the lint-free design guarantees a spotless finish. Say goodbye to disposable wipes and hello to eco-friendly cleaning with Mr.Sega's Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, the ultimate cleaning solution for every home. Number 5. AIDA Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, your ultimate cleaning companion for a spotless finish. With a generous pack of 50, these premium all-purpose cloths are a game changer for every cleaning task. From your beloved car to your sparkling kitchen, these lint-free wonders effortlessly tackle dust, grime, and spills. Their absorbent nature ensures a streak-free shine, while the 12N.X12N size offers ample coverage for any surface. Whether it's your SUV's exterior or your home's windows, these cloths deliver a pristine finish every time. Plus, they make for thoughtful gifts. Elevate your cleaning game with AIDA Microfiber Cleaning Cloths and experience cleaning bliss like never before. In conclusion, finding the best car cleaning cloth is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's shine. With a plethora of options available, it's essential to consider factors like material, absorbency, and durability. Remember to choose a cloth that suits your needs and budget. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share this video.